In this book, you will find an invitation to cultivate a deep appreciation for how precious and valuable the infinite diversity of both individuals and cultures are on the planet Earth. From these pages emerges an outstretched hand, intended to guide the reader down a path to cherish cultural diversity for all the exquisite culinary, horticultural, and philosophical gifts they offer, while also simultaneously acknowledging and living from the understanding of the innate truth that we are all part of one family. In the pages that follow, I will provide you with a passport for your senses, allowing you to adventure into experiencing cultures of faraway lands and discover poetry for the senses, as well as ecologically grounded wisdom that these rich and illustrious cultures offer the world. In choosing to work with our hands to nurture the soil and learn to grow our own food, using our harvest to create and honor diverse cultures, we nourish the body and the soul, and we plant the seeds for not only ourselves, but also for future generations, offering both ourselves and them an abundance of true wealth. True wealth, as I define it, refers to the degree of which one is self-sustaining, living sustainably, or better yet, living regeneratively, and the degree of which one has established a lasting symbiotic relationship with the land one lives on, and those beings that one shares the land with. Beyond those physical defining parameters, it is also defined by the measure of which one feels happy and at peace inwardly, truly elusive states of being for many on earth, poor and rich alike. Unlike material wealth, which is temporary and cannot provide lasting happiness, true wealth is permanent and nurtures lasting happiness. It is more about the measure of how much one gives, shares, and connects, and less about what one takes, acquires, or hoards. The true gift of wealth, the gift of true wealth is found in the years, lasting fulfillment, and health which is added to our lives when we care for the land we live on and those we share it with. Lasting fulfillment is found in savoring those precious moments that we are given each time we stop to appreciate the little things, to remember our innate curiosity, feeling a sense of awe as we bear witness to the miracle of life all around us and within us. This is the gift we give ourselves when we choose to use our time on earth to help things to grow and nurture them onto their highest potential.